Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make a modal verbs TLM. So let's start.
So this modal verbs project is ready to explain now. First let us understand what is modal verbs. A modal is a type of auxiliary verb that is used to express ability, possibility, permission, obligation, or advice. They are used alongside a man verb to change its meaning slightly. Then types of modal verbs. Can. It is used to express ability and request. For example, Rohit can swim. Can I come with you? You can do it. Everyone can achieve their goal. Then could. It is used to express past ability, future possibility, or suggestion. For example, could I use your phone? Julie could swim when she was young. I never thought I could do it. How could he find out? Then may. This is used to express permission for future possibility. For example, may I borrow your pen? He may come to our home. You may go home if you want to. Then might. This is used to express present or future possibility. For example, he might win the trophy. No one knows what we might do. This might be the most difficult decision she would ever make. Then shall. This is used to express offer or suggestion. For example, shall I help you? Shall I call her? Shall we review what you have learned? Then should. This is used to express advice or uncertain prediction. For example, you should check it again. Parents should spend quality time with their children. Should I wait for you here? Then must. This is used to express necessity or obligation. For example, you must have an identity proof. We must not to be late. That must have been really difficult for you. Then ought to. This is used to express what right and correct. For example, they ought to have more parks in the city center. We ought to eat lots of fruit and vegetables every day. Then will. This is used to express willingness, certain prediction or promise. For example, I will go to Goa. It will rain today. He will be pleased. One day he will know about our friendship. Then would. This is used to express request, invitation or making arrangements. For example, would you like to read his speech? How long would these mind games go on? What would you like to do for your birthday? So this was our modal verbs project. I hope you will like this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you. Thanks for watching.